Let's see how to properly use the engine. Oil quantities, here indicated, refer to engines with standard oil sumps. Engine manufacturing technology has become so evolved that the specific characteristics of the lubricating oils are now of primary importance to optimize performance and extend engine life. Oils are classified according to specific characteristics, which are indicated on the packs. This table contains the main classifications used by international oil companies: API, MIL, ACEA, and so forth. The degree of viscosity is given as a function of the lubricant temperature, as indicated in the grade chart. Let's look at the main operations necessary when you start the engine for the first time. The first thing to do is to remove the plug on the tappet cover. Fill with lube oil and press the plug back on. Now make sure that the level is correct. It must stay between the minimum and maximum marks on the dipstick. Fit the dipstick back into the sump and start to fuel the engine. If the climate is particularly cold, -10 degrees centigrade or below, you should mix additives with fuel to prevent paraffin formation. Air venting is essential for immediate startups and regular engine operation. Turn the key switch to its first position to energize the shut-off valve. Push on the AC pump lever several times to bleed air from the fuel circuit. The radiator plug regulates the pressure in the cooling circuit. The pressure setting for FOCS engines is 0.7 bar. Remove the plug and pour in the coolant. This fluid allows the engine to operate perfectly even in very cold weather, since it lowers the freezing point well below 0 degrees Celsius. It also raises the boiling point above 100 degrees Celsius and is therefore also suitable for tropical climates. All air pockets must be eliminated if the cooling circuit is to function correctly and efficiently. To do this, start the engine and keep it running to allow the fluid to fill up the space occupied by any air bubbles that may have been left in the circuit. Now start the engine by turning the key switch to first position. Wait until the orange light goes out, meaning that the glow plugs have preheated. Then turn the key to second position. After starting, let the engine idle for a few minutes. When the coolant has reached the right temperature, stop the engine and top up the fluid in the radiator if necessary. If the engine cooling system is provided with a header tank, proceed as described previously, but top up the tank instead of the radiator.